Which is more, 10 cents or 20 cents? Answer, 20 cents. Jane had 7 apples. She gave away 5. How many does she have now? Answer, 2. Write the digit 48. Answer, 8. Write the digit 43. Answer, 3. What is 7 plus 6? Answer, 13. Which is more, 10 cents or 10 cents? Answer, 10 cents. What is 10 minus 8? Answer, 2. What is 1 plus 1? Answer, 2. What is 7 plus 10? Answer, 17. Write the digit 44. Answer, 4. Write the digit 41. Answer, 1. Write the digit 45. Answer, 5. What is 8 minus 5? Answer, 3. Jane had 9 apples. She gave away 6. How many does she have now? Answer, 3. What is 8 minus 5? Answer, 3. Which is more, 15 cents or 20 cents? Answer, 20 cents. What is 6 minus 4? Answer, 2. What is 8 plus 0? Answer, 8. Which is more, 5 cents or 20 cents? Answer, 20 cents. Jane had 10 apples. She gave away 9. How many does she have now? Answer, 1.